Usually
I totally missed it.
Usually it does at 11 a.m.
Oh, wow.
But when there's special guests from Taiwan here who are violinists, who are going to be the next VCO #1 chair.
Oh, wow. That's a big statement.
We're going to try. Everybody who knows VSO, call
Oh my god.
and say,
That's not how it works.
oh, we tried new way.
It's okay. But I learned something new, so this is my journey.
What did you learn new?
Interesting.
It's okay, no problem. You're part of the show.
Thank you.
What's that?
Do you want to be in there?
No, I take it like this. And then I can be. Are you a musician?
I am. I play violin.
Violin?
Yes.
Where do you play?
I was auditioning for VSO, Vancouver Symphony Orchestra.
How did it go?
I don't think it went well. It's a recording now.
I think it went real well. I think she's going to get in.
No. There are 3 rounds. We'll see if they call me back.
What's your name?
I'm Jennifer. What's your name?
Danny. Advisor Danny.
Advisor Danny.
Now I'm doing 111 places in Vancouver you must not miss. So I was just
This place right now.
I was just over there at Crab Lake. It's a park, not Crab Lake, Crab Park. It's over there, you can see everything. Now I'm coming here on Gastown Waterfront, going to Waterfront Station. I show you the book. Here, you can hold this.
You're writing a book?
No, I show you the book that I'm putting on.
Trying to.
I'm putting it on YouTube. Say hi. Jennifer.
Hi.
Hi, Jennifer. Yeah, take the mask off. It's much better.
Yeah, I'm trying to be careful, but yeah.
Maybe we can make thumbnail for this video. It's going to be you and me is the little picture.
Yeah.
This is Jennifer, and I think she is a great violinist.
Oh, thank you. Like and subscribe.
Where are you from?
I'm from Taiwan, but I study in Boston.
Berkeley?
No, Boston University.
Do you know Berkeley?
Yes, I do.
So, this is the book. See?
Whoa.
And I show you Crab Lake. Where
So I'm trying to walk through all
everyone. I'm going, so far I'm on 20. I've done about 10 on my YouTube already.
I see.
What was my YouTube channel?
Advisor Danny.
And where else can you find it? Another platform is called Rumble.
Rumble?
Rumble.
I never tried it.
Rumble will not censor the people who love the country of Taiwan. Hi YouTube, it's okay. We love China too.
Don't delete this video yet. Not yet, not yet.
So this one,
Oh, good dog.
see, there was Crab Park.
No.
This place.
You were there?
And I was there, so it's 21. And now I was going to go sit down for a minute in Waterfront. This one's not open today. It's a restaurant where you go and it's like you are blind. It's all dark.
Well, that's an experience.
So touching.
Oh my. Is this clock on the list?
You know, so far I don't see it. There's parks, there's bars, there's restaurants, there's all kinds of things. And these 2 men wrote it. They're from Vancouver.
Nice.
And I was given this by my sister maybe 3 or 4 weeks ago. And I said, let's make a series.
Ah, nice.
So another thing that I'm doing, you are a great camera woman. You know what else
I do vlog too, actually.
Do you? Do you have a YouTube channel?
I do. It's called Musician Jennifer Wynn.
Musician? Okay, let's find, here. We're going to find it and subscribe to you.
I don't have my internet right now. I'm trying to...
I have on one phone here.
Okay. Aren't you afraid of the battery and stuff?
No, I have 3 batteries. I have been more afraid of the SD card freezing in the cold. And that happened to me the other day. I lost the whole day. So I had to retrace everything that I've been doing now.
Okay. Shall we stop it here or?
You can. You push. Can you imagine what your food eating experience would be like if you could not see. Well, this next spot is all about creating that kind of experience where you're able to have your senses heightened, a sense of smell and taste, even hearing, when you cannot see the food in front of you. It's just up here a little ways. Located here, 2611 on 4th Avenue, West 4th Avenue. And it's closed today, but I'm thinking it's all dark in any case, even though it would be a great experience, but we wouldn't be able to film it anyway. Welcome to the dark. In reading what the authors have written about the experience inside, I believe they include people that are blind as servers and as people that help with the overall experience in trying to understand what it's like for people who do not have the ability to see with their eyes, but maybe see deeper than you and me. Okay, it's called the Dark Table. It's right over there. And I hope at some point I'll get the chance to come back and experience it and then tell you firsthand what it was like, because I'm assuming it'll be too dark to film. Okay, let's move on. Hey.
Hey.
You're on my YouTube. Are you guys from Mexico?
Yeah.
¿Hablo español?
Sí.
Sí. Yo poquito.
Okay.
Are you visiting on vacation? So, maybe the most haunted island in North America, Dead Man's Island. Controlled by the Canadian Navy since I think around 46 or something like that. Back in the 1700s, apparently there was a very bloody massacre that took place. They've made movies there, including Arnold Schwarzenegger and one or more of the MacGyver series. Very interesting. Dead Man's Island. All secured. Together with Tama may update you on the Japan Jazz Tour 2023. That is not gluten.
Kotomi.
Kotomi. Some things in food, unlike